In this video I am showing you how you can draw arrows on Instagram story. So firstly you have to open your Instagram app and then tap on the your profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that tap on the plus icon in the top right corner and then choose the story. And here you have to, when you are here, you can choose a photo from the gallery, and you can also take a photo like this. When you take a photo, then you can see the menu, you can see the all the options in the top. And you can also see in the right side of the emoji icon, you can see this rope like icon. Tap on this, and when you are here, and then you can see a arrow pointing to the top. Simply tap on this arrow, and now when you draw any line, then it will with the arrow. So that's it. You can choose the color in from the bottom, and now the color of the arrow is now. So that's it, that how you can choose, how you can make arrows on Instagram story. So that's it, that how you can do this. So that's it, that how you can make arrows on Instagram story. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.